Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming accounts and services. Sign into the same Apple ID on both devices so data maps correctly. Once done, open settings on each device and enable iCloud toggles for the apps you need: Contacts, Photos, Safari, Notes, because iCloud Sync is the backbone. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and plugged into power to avoid interruptions. This prevents partial syncs and speeds up the initial transfer. Now you're ready to move into more detailed sync settings. Next, you configure the specific services so things behave predictably. Go to Settings, your name iCloud, and enable iCloud Drive for documents. Then open each app's toggle so only desired data syncs, which saves storage. Turn on Messages in iCloud if you want consistent message threads across devices, and enable handoff for app continuity when moving from iPhone to iPad. For photos, choose iCloud Photos or Download, and keep originals depending on space. This controls whether thumbnails or full files transfer. Finally, you verify and finalize the sync. Create a test contact, note, or photo and watch it appear on the other device. This confirms success. If items don't show, try forcing a sync by toggling airplane mode off and on, or sign out and back into your Apple ID. This refresh often resolves stalled transfers. If problems continue, check iCloud storage limits and update iOS on both devices. Outdated software or full storage are the usual culprits, and fixing them typically restores reliable syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.